Hey everyone, today I will show you how to get a discount code for the PlayStation Store. First of all, keep an eye on the PlayStation Store itself. They regularly run sales and promotions with automatic discounts or promo codes. Seasonal events like Black Friday holiday sales or even flash sales can give you great discounts. No code needed, just browse the deals section on the store. Next, sign up for the PlayStation newsletter if you haven't already. Sometimes they send out exclusive discount codes directly to subscribers. It's a great way to get notified about special offers and new deals. If you are a PlayStation Plus member, you get monthly discounts and access to exclusive sales. Just go to the PlayStation Plus section on the store to see discounts only available to members. You can also check trusted coupon websites like RetailMenot, Honey for promo codes. These sites sometimes post active discount codes shared by other users, so they are worth checking out. And that's it. Thanks for watching.